Did you know? Even if 1/4 of the food which is wasted could be saved, millions of people could be fed. Availability, access, utilization, and stability are key pillars of food security. Ensuring a complete meal and reducing food wastage is of pivotal importance. Over preparation of food, over merchandising, over ordering, consumer behavior, etc., are causes for food wastage. Food wasted in weddings, parties, etc. could be used to solve problem of food insecurity. NGOs, ashrams, blind schools which require food at low cost could use aid of zero hunger. My business model would be implemented in 2 stages. Stage 1, Zero Hunger Food Helpline and YouTube channel could be accessed by provider, hotels, restaurants and consumers like NGOs, ashram. I have also made a prototype. This prototype shows how the food wasted in restaurants, hotels and banquet halls could be delivered to organizations like NGOs, orphanages and ashrams. I made this prototype by recycling old sellotape rolls, old boxes and old cardboard. Stage 2, a mobile app where hotels, restaurants and other food service providers who wish to give away food at low cost and homes who wish to give away food for free could be accessed by food provider and consumer. This is the app. So, this app can show you which hotels, restaurants and other food service providers are giving away food at low costs and which homes are giving away food for free. Oh, I forgot. I haven't introduced myself. Hello, my name is Virat Dingra. Together we can and we will achieve zero hunger. Thank you.